بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أبناء وبنات طلاب الأعزاء طلبة الصف الخامس ابتدائي لغات، ازيكم يا أبنائي؟ عاملين إيه؟ يا رب تكونوا بخير. النهاردة هنحل إن شاء الله تقييمات الأسبوع رقم 4 بإذن الله. Weekly Assessment number 4 from Government Assessment number 4. Okay, start with home performance C. Question number 1. Find the result of estimation or estimating or subtracting of following decimal fraction using the first digit on the left estimation strategy finds actual result. احنا هنا طالب مني اجيب الاستيميشن front the left hand side. عارفين يا ولاد الاستراتيجيه بنكتبها ازاي؟ يعني بكتب الديجيت left hand side زي ما هو والباقي زيروهات، تمام؟ دي اسمها from left hand side اللي هي استراتيجي using the first digit on the left estimating or front strategy. in the front strategy بنسميها كده، بنقول عليها in the front strategy، او يقول لي حددها لي بالتفصيل يقول لي the first digit on the left estimation. دي معناها ايه؟ front end strategy. فاكرها؟ خدناها في جريد 4 front end strategy. طيب ركز معايا. we have 43 and 85 hundredths subtract by 20 and 34 hundredths. we can use strategy about front end strategy. Write 4 and all digits will be 0. Okay, write 2 and all digits will be 0. Okay, and then find the difference between them equal to 20. Then the answer here will be 20. And also you want to find the actual number. Actual number is meaning the number between them, or the difference between two numbers in the real. 5 minus 4 equal 1. 8 minus 3 equal 5. 3 minus 0 equal 3 and 4 minus 2 equal 2. Then the result will be 23 and 51 hundredths. It's the actual number as this estimation. Okay. Next question. Determine strategy used to estimate this number. You want to find the type of strategy about 8 and 39 hundredths subtracted by 3.5 and 6 equal. What is the strategy here? This number approximating to the nearest whole number 8, and this number approximating to the nearest whole number would be 4. Then the strategy between them approximating or rounding to the nearest whole number. Then the answer here rounding to the nearest whole number. Okay. Next question. Number 3. Find the result estimation subtracting decimal using rounding to the nearest whole number strategy. 7 and 54 hundredths subtracted by 6 and 45 hundredths. We can find the difference between them. 5 can give 1 to 7. It will be 8. 4 can't give 1, then 8 minus 6 equal 2. Next question. Find the result estimation using the first digit on the estimation strategy. Right, 81 and 351 thousandths subtracted by 51 and 209 thousandths. We can find the difference between them by using strategy. What is the strategy? Front end strategy, or using the first digit on the left estimation. Write 8 here and all digits behind it will be 0. Okay, then the answer here will be 80 and here will be 50. Then the difference between them equal 30. Next question. Number 5. Find the result of the subtraction of the decimal fraction according to what is indicated in parentheses. Using rounding to the nearest 10, using rounding to the nearest unit, he wanted to strategy. Okay, strategy approximating to the nearest 10. Look at here. We have 43 and 291 subtracted by 26 and 523. We can find the difference between two numbers by approximating to the nearest first strategy, approximate to the nearest 10, approximating to the nearest 10, approximating this number, approximating to the nearest 10. This number we can approximate it will be what? 3 can give 1 to 4, then the result will be 40. 6 can give 1 2, it will be 30. Then we can approximating the difference between them equal 10. Then the first solution approximating or rounding to the nearest 10, it will be 10. And number 2 approximating to the nearest unit. Okay, then approximating here by to the nearest 10, and also unit 2 can't give 1 to 3, then 43 subtract by 5 can give 1 to 6, it will be 27. Then we can find the difference between two numbers. We approximate it here to the nearest unit. 3 minus 7 we can do it for 1. 13 minus 7 equals 6, and 3 minus 2 equal 1. Then the answer here will be 16. Okay, the answer will be 16. Next question. Look at with me about example. Look at weekly assessment model A. The result of estimating the subtracting of the following decimal fractions using front-end strategy. He asked about front-end strategy. Write 4 and 0 and all digits 0. It will be 40. Subtract by 20. Then the difference between them equal 20. He used here strategy front-end strategy. Write each digit from the left-hand side and all digits convert to zeros. Okay, the answer will be 20. Choose letter C. Next question. 45 thousandths subtract by 23 thousandths. We can find the difference. 5 minus 3 2 and 4 minus 2 equal 2. The result will be 22 thousandths. Choose letter B. Find the result between two numbers using rounding to the nearest whole number. We have 9 and 43 hundredths subtract by 7 and 81 hundredths. We can approximate this number to the nearest what strategy to the nearest whole number. Whole number here 9. Then 3 can give 1 to 9 and 8 can give 1 to 7. Then 9 minus 8 equal 1. Then the difference between them equal 1. Next question. Find the result between 4 and 874 thousandths subtract by 2 and 694 thousandths. 4 minus 4 equals 0. 7 minus 9 we can do it for 1. 17 minus 9 equals 6 or 8. And 7 minus 6 equal 1. 4 minus 2 equal 2. The result will be 2.18. Next question. Sammy put 2 silver rings. The mass of the first 5 and 845 thousandths gram, and the mass of the second is 8 and 452 thousandths gram. Calculate the total between them. How many grams we can eat together? 2 plus 5 7, 5 plus 4 9, 4 plus 8 12, 20 carry up 1, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 5 equal 14. Okay, the answer will be gram. Right, gram behind the answer. Model letter B is the result of estimation. This number using unit strategy to the nearest unit strategy. Okay, we have 43 and 85 hundredths subtract by 20 and 34 hundredths. We can approximate this number to the nearest unit. 8 can give 1 to 3, it will be 44. 3 can give 1, it will be 20. Then the difference between them 4 minus 0 equal 4 and 4 minus 2 equal 2. The answer will be letter D, 24. Okay, next question. 67 hundredths subtract by 35 hundredths. 7 minus 5 equal 2. 6 minus 3 equal 3. The result will be 32 hundredths. Next question. Salim bought a can cheese for 45 and 456 thousandths pounds and can of ham for 36,006 and 234 pounds. Calculate the total amount we can eat together. Right, 45 456 thousandths plus 36 and 234 thousandths. We can eat together here. 4 plus 6 10, 0 and the carry up 1. 4 plus 5 equal 9. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 6 plus 5 11, 1 and the carry up 1. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 equal 8. 81 and 690 thousandths and right pounds. You can also cancel 0 here. Next question. Find the result. 0.7, 4 and 5 subtracted by 0.5, 8 and 2. 5 minus 2 equal 3. 4 minus 8 we can do it for 1. 14 minus 8 equals 6 and 6 minus 5 equal 1. The result will be 163 thousandths. Find the difference between two numbers using the round to the nearest tenths. Okay, we have 8 and 45 hundredths subtract by 6 and 81 hundredths. We won't find the strategy. Find the difference between approximating to the nearest what? Tenths. We can write 8.5 can give 1 to 4, 5. And 1 can give 1 to 8. Then 5 minus 8 we can do it for 1. 15 minus 8 equal 7. And put point 7 minus 6 1. Next question. Find the difference between two numbers using the front end strategy. We have 65 and 934 thousandths subtracted by 34 528. 4 minus 8 we can do it. It will be 14 minus no. In this example he won't find the strategy. What is strategy? Front end strategy. Okay, front end strategy, it's meaning write each digits from left hand side here and all digits will be 0. Then 60 minus 30 equals 30. Next question. We have 56,000 subtracted by 27 thousandths. 6 minus 7 we can do it for 1. 16 minus 7 equal 9. And we have 4 minus 2 equal 2. And the answer will be 29 thousandths. Choose letter A. Question number 3. Hussam put a tilba fish weighting 1.634 kilograms and mullet fish weight. طبعا دي انواع يا ولاد من الاسماك اللي هو السمك البلطي والبور يعني ويتنج يعني جاب لي التو ويت وعايز يجيب التوتال نعملهم بلس يعني find the total of weight بالنسبه ل 1 fish and second fish 1.634 plus 2.71 and 3. 3 plus 4 7, 1 plus 3 equal 4, 7 plus 6 13, 3 and carry up 1, 3 plus 1 equal 4. In the answer. Find the difference between the number 5 and 348,000 subtracted by 3 and 517. 8 minus 7 equal 1, 4 minus 1 equal 3, 3 minus 5 we can do it for 1, 13 minus 5 equal 8, 4 minus 3 equal 1. Next question. Find the difference between two numbers using the round strategy to the nearest tenths. Where tenths here we have 7.62 subtracted by 4.4 and 6. We can approximate each number to the nearest tenths. Alright, 7.6 and 4.6 can give 1 to 4. Yes, it will be 5. 6 minus 5 equal 1 and 7 minus 4 equal 3. Then the answer will be 3.1 by approximating to the nearest tenths.